Eat a plate of food colorful with rainbow colors and stay healthy. Encourage your kids to try new fruits and veggies every day. Hygiene is a superpower. Empower your kids with healthy habits to keep them safe and strong. Let's work together to raise happy and healthy, confident kids. Meet our narrator who will share a personal story about an inspiring individual from their hometown, an elderly man who has lived a long and healthy life. Let's listen to his story. Our talented Shloka children will then present a skit that highlights the significance of making informed food choices and adopting health habits. So let's dive in and explore the power of health and hygiene together. And remember, don't get too caught up in what's behind you. There are new doors opening ahead. Let's invite them. In a village, a group of friends are playing and going to school together in their neighborhood. They are habituated to play together in their areas beside their houses.
Oh, I am so tired. I have to study now. I am also so tired. I am so tired. I want to sit here. I am also so tired. I want to take rest.
Hey kids, why are you so tired? Come on, let's play.
We are so tired. How can we play with you, Grandpa?
I will play with you. Go and call your friends fastly. Let's run around. Hey kids, why are you so tired? Come on, let's play.
We are so tired. How can we play with you, Grandpa? How can you run faster than us, Grandpa? What is a health secret, Grandpa?
I will eat all types of nutrients which are colorful as part of the nature. Do you listen patiently?
Yes!
Let's call them.
Hi friends, this is a banana. This is a banana. It is rich in fiber. It can help the digestion of food and relieves constipation. It supports the nervous system and skin health and blood pressure. Thank you. Hi friends, this is a pomegranate. This is a pomegranate. It improves blood level. It prevents blood clotting. It promotes brain function. Hi friends, this is an apple. This is an apple. It is sweet and delicious. It is high in fiber. It is also a good disease fighter. It is rich in vitamin A and E. It is good for teeth and skin. Fruits are good source of vitamins and minerals. Yes, dear, fruits makes our body strong and fit. Fruits gives us energy to play and have fun. Thank you. Wait. I have apple fridge. It is made up of apple. Yes, dear, it is apple fridge, but it contains preservatives and extra sugar. So instead of these, you can blend the apple and made a juice at home. Okay, thank you.
Students, did you all understand what they said? Apple is good or apple fizz is good? Do you drink apple fizz drink, Maaza drink? Which is good? Apple as a fruit or the drink what you buy from the supermarket? Very good.
Hi everyone, this is a carrot. Carrot is in orange color. We can eat it raw and cooked. Good for our skin. Hi friends, this is the potato. Thank you. Potato have more carbohydrates. It is rich vitamin B, C and starch. Hi friends, this is a bottle gourd. Bottle gourd is in green color. It prevents many diseases. It is a high water content vegetable. Thank you. Every day my mother makes curries and salads with these vegetables. These vegetables taste and healthy. Thank you friends. My teacher told me vegetables provide us vitamins, minerals and nutrients. If we take these every day, these will lower the risk of diseases. Thank you. Oh, there are so many colors. It is looking like a rainbow. Oh, we are not eating fruits and vegetables. That was we are sick. Now we learned about fruits and vegetables and their importance. Let's sing and dance with fruits and vegetables.
Veggies, vegetables, they are so healthy, they are so yum. Let's learn the names and let's have fun. Tell me the name of this vegetable. Carrot, carrot, it's a carrot. Veggies, vegetables, they are so healthy, they are so yum. Let's learn the names and let's have fun. Tell me the name of this vegetable. Tomato, tomato, it's tomato. Veggies, vegetables, they are so healthy, they are so yum. Let's learn the names and let's have fun. Tell me the name of this vegetable. Broccoli, broccoli, it's a broccoli. Veggies, vegetables, they are so healthy, they are so yum. Let's learn the names and let's have fun. Tell me the name of this vegetable. Capsicum, capsicum, it's a capsicum. Veggies, vegetables, they are so healthy, they are so yum. Let's learn the names and let's have fun. Tell me the name of this vegetable. Mushroom, mushroom, it's a mushroom. Veggies, vegetables, they are so healthy, they are so yum. Let's learn the names and let's have fun. Tell me the name of this vegetable. Brinjal, brinjal, it's a brinjal. Veggies, vegetables, they are so healthy, they are so yum. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Boom, 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 banana. Peel the banana, peel, peel the banana. Chop the banana, chop, chop the banana. Put it all together. Shake, 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 shake. Shake it.
Oh, 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 orange. Peel the orange, peel, peel the orange. Squeeze the orange, squeeze, squeeze the orange.
Put it all together.
Shake, 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 shake. Shake it.
Go, 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 grapes. Pick the grapes, pick the grapes. Stomp the grapes, stomp, stomp the grapes.
Put it all together. Shake, 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 shake. Shake it.
Banana,
Orange and
grapes.
mix, mix,
Okay, before all the fruits and vegetables, take a quick snap. From the audience, can anyone answer which is the king of fruit? Very good. Which is the king of vegetable? Very nice. These kids are answering better. Which is the king of vegetable? Very nice. So do you all bring as part of your lunch boxes fruits and vegetables? Which is the national vegetable? Yes, very nice. Who answered that? Pumpkin. Very good, Mallikarjuna. Correct, right, your name? Pumpkin is the national vegetable of India.
Now we learned about fruits and vegetables. What's the next, Grandpa?
Do you know about fats?
Yes, we know.
These are not enough to our body. We need many other foods. Do you want to learn about them?
Yes, Grandpa, it's interesting. We want to learn more. There are something called fats.
Let's call them.
So just fruits and vegetables are not enough for our whole body growth. So these people are telling about something else. Shall we learn about them? What are they called? Fats. Essential fats are required for our body. Are you all learning as part of your science and EVS?
Now we are going to know about fat. Hi everyone, I am Fig. I am highly nutritious food. I can control the pressure. I may also support some joints. Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Dave. I am rich in fiber energy. Hello everyone, I am Almond, the king of dry fruit. I achieve vitamin. Hello everyone, my name is Raisins. I am rich in essential nutrients. I improve energy levels and bone health. Hi everyone, I am cashew. I can prevent heart disease. I can reduce cholesterol also. I am real fruit of cashew. Few dry fruits like raisins, almonds, cashews, dates will be fleshy, remain dry. Dry fruits are treasures for many minerals like iron, iodine, zinc, etc.
Dry fruits are tiny. How can they give more energy for our body?
Maybe the dry fruits are tiny, but it gives lot of energy. So we request all of you to eat 4 or 5 dry fruits every day. Thank you.
How many of you eat dairy milk, almond, dry fruit and nut dairy milk? Chocolate with nuts. How many of you eat every day? How many of you bring chocolates for your birthdays?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it healthy? So you all know it is not healthy and still you bring them. So the alternate source of chocolates with dry fruits is, what is the alternate source of energy? Healthy source of energy. Instead of chocolates, what can you bring? Nuts. Very nice. You can bring nuts, you can bring chickies, which are the alternate source of your chocolates, which is not good for your health, as well as if you eat more chocolates, what will happen to your tooth? Your tooth will decay. Primary children, did you learn about tooth decay? So if you eat more chocolates, your tooth will decay.
Grandpa, we learn fruits, vegetables and fats. What is next?
Is it enough? Here is our superhero who helps us to hydrate. Let's call them.
Any primary children, what is meant by hydration? Is it required for our body? Shall we see now on the stage what these little kids are going to tell about hydration?
My teacher always tells me to drink water every 1 hour. Hey, my parents also tells me to drink water, but I don't like. Water helps our body digest food better. What is mean by hydration? Hydration means water. Why should we drink water? Because human body contains 80% of water to maintain normal body temperature. Thank you. What about juices? Remember, we should take natural juices and more water. Coconut, hello everyone. I am Coconut. I can improve bone health and decrease muscle cramps. I help to prevent kidney stones. Thank you. Grandpa, we are so hungry. Let's eat something.
Stop opening. You should not eat this food. Take this food. You,
Throw them. Yeah.
I love the chips. Why are you throwing?
not good for our health. It is junk food. It is mix of masalas. Eat this food instead of chips.
Grandpa, we should eat this food.
Yes, it is good to our body.
I know. It is energy giving food.
Let's call them.
I am Vek. Ingusasa. Hi everyone. My name is Milka. I am liquid and sweet. I can easily digest. I am rich in vitamins, calcium and minerals. Thank you. Yes, my mother gave me 1 glass of boiled milk and it gave me energy. Hi friends, I am a fish. I am rich in vitamin D and B2 and calcium. Eat me for 2 times for a week for your healthy diet. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am a groundnut. I am good source of protein. I will give muscle strength to your body. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am spotted greens. I am rich in nutrients and fiber. I help to strengthen the immune system. Thank you. Proteins helps to maintain good health and repairs body tissues and also supports immune function and maintain fluid balance. Thank you. Proteins can be formed in many foods like chicken, fish, beans and even milk. So I request all of you, do not say no to eat healthy food. Thank you.
Staying healthy can be so much fun. We can do this together. Exercise, keep your body clean. Eat fresh food to stay healthy. Brush your teeth, go to sleep. Learn new things to stay healthy. La 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 la.
Grandpa, what should we eat for snacks?
Good question, my dear. You can eat boiled milk, boiled peanuts, 2 glasses of milk, occasionally fish, and sprouted grains.
If we want good health, we should stop eating outside foods. Grandpa, how can we eat this much food in one day?
Don't worry, my dear. You can follow a balanced diet which is mixed with fruits and vegetables, dry fruits, hydration and proteins. Which is mixed in a meal is called balanced diet.
Thank you, Grandpa. Today we learned more things. Thank you.
Children, what do you go back after going back to your house? What will you tell to your parents today? What will you tell to your parents? How many of every day in one or the other place, how many of you are bringing junk food? In your lunch boxes, how many of you are bringing junk food? Teachers also can answer. You will be observing your children, right? Are the children bringing junk food to the campus? Can we avoid them? I want to show a packaged food, what is stored as part of their, what they brought as part of their lunch boxes. So this is the waste which is being collected from the kids' lunch boxes, which they have brought for the past 2 weeks. Is it healthy? So that's fine. See, we are getting instant happiness eating chocolates, Lays, potato chips and all, right? Yes or no? It is only instant happiness. But when you are eating that, we are indirectly spoiling our energy, our health. You are getting energy, but your health is getting spoiled. Why? Can anyone answer? Why is it bad for health? Why is it bad? Why junk food is bad? How they are making? They are adding some preservatives. They are using some sugars, sugary, masalas, oil, edible oils, what they are using in the packaged foods. It is not good for our health in a longer run. So you are the future generation kids. You have to go back and insist your parents to pack healthy lunch. You have to eat 1/4 of protein, 1/4 of vegetables, 1/4 of fruits, and 1/4 only should be your carbohydrate, chapati, whatever it is, rice, chapati. It should be only 1/4 of your meal. The rest all should be easily digestible, which are like fresh and healthy, cooked with less oil. Do you all go back and inform your parents? So from tomorrow onwards, all the teachers, please do not allow any junk food into the campus. I am also checking the waste collected after end of the day from all the classrooms. If at all children are bringing the junk, they are taking their junk packets back to their homes. Do you promise me, teachers, along with the students? Can we stop the junk foods? That is not just for the students, it is also for the teachers. Teacher also cannot bring a chips packet and a chocolate. And we will not strictly allow in the campus the waste thrown from those junk food. If you bring it, the waste also you should carry along with you in your bags. I think our IMAs are already supporting us. All the teachers, if you promise and support us, I strictly want to avoid plastic usage in the campus, which is not good for our health as well as our nature. So we will take a decision from today onwards. For any of the birthdays, if the children are bringing chocolates, they are taking them back home. You are not distributing. We are not allowing to distribute. It's their wish. Dry fruits, chickies, peanuts, whatever they want. Something healthy, and avoid plastic package which is being used in the supermarkets. Any teacher wants to speak? And as usual, you are all thinking, why this nonsense? That is good. We love eating all those things. Why are you telling all this stuff to us? But I am sure 50% of the children boxes, lunch boxes, what the child is packing today, because We are insisting from past 2 months from the beginning of this academic year, and 50% of the students' lunch boxes have become very healthy. Yes or no, teachers?
Bharati ma'am, please come and speak about something health and hygiene.
Good morning, everybody. Past 1 month onwards, we are insist the student about the healthy food, but our students are too intelligent than us. When we kept that box, and at the first day, 2 days, they are bringing. After third day, when we are taking the video, and they started, they are taking some children still they are bringing chocolates, chips, opening their wrappers at home, and they are bringing in the boxes. So that one also we are insisting them to avoid. And in today's fast-paced world, where convenience often overweights nutritional value, maintaining a balanced diet is more challenging. So here we have to motivate for the parents first of all. They want to make their work very easy. So while they are bringing to the children to the school, or when they are coming and dropping to the school, immediately they are going to the shops, and they are buying chips, all these. So I request the students, now you watched all the balanced diet. Balanced diet is nothing but what fruits, vegetables, and nuts. You have to eat all these. So when you go home, you insist your parents that don't send any chips or chocolates, and Monday onwards we are going to check your boxes also. So either you should bring coconut, cucumber, next carrot, beetroot. These are all very healthy food. Or chickpeas. And don't eat too much dry fruits also. Already they told no 5 or 6 dry fruits are enough. And whatever it may be, if you eat too much, that is also harm to our body. Understood? Monday onwards, all the teachers will check your boxes, and we should find only the nutrition food in your snacks boxes. I don't want to see any chocolates, chips. Understood? Did you tell to your parents
Something. We need to pause a bit and think what we are eating, is it really healthy or not? Is there any preservative in the food that we are eating? Is it really healthy? Is it balanced or not? If that thought comes to our mind, maybe the children or the teachers as well as the parents, if that thought comes to us, really it is nice, we are done. So I think children, teachers and the parents, everyone, you are going to give a thought before consuming, before eating anything. Yes? See, along with the food, just now I have seen Sarika teacher dancing. So I think you should also add fitness to it. So try adding fitness next time. It is also important, right? Okay. So from now onwards, health and hygiene, it should become the lifestyle. Lifestyle of Shloka family. Yes? Shall we make it as our lifestyle? Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. This is a wrap on our health and hygiene series for pre-primary kids. Remember, healthy habits start young. By teaching our little ones the importance of healthy eating habits and oral hygiene. Healthy habits today, a happy tomorrow. Let's keep our kids healthy and strong. A healthy body and mind are the best superpowers. Keep encouraging healthy habits in our little ones. Let's make health and hygiene as part of our daily routine. Bye-bye germs, hello happiness. Remember to practice good hygiene every day. Healthy kids, happy world. Let's work together to raise a generation of healthy and happy kids. We are setting them up for a lifetime of happiness and well-being. Let's raise a generation of healthy, happy and confident kids. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Sarika. I just want to everybody talk about healthy. I'm not talking about healthy now. It's just like by making this program you become very healthy. It's like healthy program. And Nana did very good job. It's very good performance. I congratulate each and every child. It's very good performance. I'm really seeing you I'm feeling myself I want to change, I want to eat by seeing your program only. And one appreciation to this guy Mallikarjuna, right? Yeah, very good volunteering, Nana. Very good volunteering. I'm just seeing, observing that guy is helping everyone each and there. That's kind of service needed. It's very good job. And all the teachers, you really did very well. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.